days when we could rest, been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday and nothing's changed.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are mostly welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for checking me out again. Well, as you guys can see in the title, it is sweater season. Sweater season. So I'm here again with the part, I think this is part 4. Okay, we did jumpsuits, we did 2-piece, and then we did a combination. So this is part 4 of our Fashionnova series. So with this one, it is all about sweater dresses. I love sweater dresses because you can easily put a nice boot with it, or a nice pump, a nice sandal with a nice purse, and you are all dressed to go out. And if you're feeling a little bit uncomfortable, you could put a little nice vest on top of it and go out. All right guys, without further ado, everything that I have will definitely be linked in the description box. And before you go, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a video. It is this bell over here. Make sure it's turned on. All right guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. If you want to see all the sweater dresses that I got from Fashionnova for this fall winter season, why don't you stay tuned and keep on watching. All right y'all, the first dress we got, it is this nice beautiful yellow dress right here. It does have a bell sleeve. I don't even know if I should call it a bell sleeve, but it does have like a puffy sleeve right here on both sides. It is off the shoulder if you like to wear it off the shoulder, or you could also put it on shoulder, or you could also do it half shoulder down, half shoulder up. I think that will also work very well with any way you want to style this. It is a midi length. It came like, I think, really past my knee, a little bit past my knee, so I'm definitely going to say it is midi dress. This is so freaking cute, and it is called the Gemini sweater midi dress, orange, and I got it in a size small because it is very stretchy. So not that much of a stretch, but it's so thick that I feel like if I stay a medium, it is definitely going to be too big for me on the waist, and it won't snatch me the way it snatched me with a small. So I'll say go down a size if you want it to snatch you like that. All right guys, my measurements will be right over here. It will also be pinned in the comment section, and it will also be in the description box, so you guys can get my measurements to know what size you should go for. I'm naturally a medium in anything. Sometimes I size down. All right guys, the next thing we got, it is this sweater dress right here, a nice beautiful beige. It is like Maxi. It hit me almost close to my ankle. I don't know if I should call that a maxi, but this is it right here. It is very thick. I love the needed situation going on in front of it. And it is, like I said, is very thick. So you really don't need to layer this. All you have to do is probably put like a tank on the inside if you feel like it. Other than that, that should be easy to wear. It does come with a full turtleneck right here. Really cute, really nice. The arm is just a regular arm. Beautiful. The back is just plain, and it does have a slit right here at the back. And this is called Macie sweater maxi dress in color taupe, size medium. This is really nice, simple styling with a nice boot, a regular pump heel. With this one, I think you'll be ready to go. Okay y'all, if you guys watch the jumpsuit that I got this black and white jumpsuit that is off the shoulder, and it has striped this one right over here. I got that, and I saw it in a dress, and I was like, damn, I need to get that. So I decided to get it also. It is also the same material, really thick, and this one is like true maxi. It is like all the way down to the ground on me. Same concept about the jumpsuit, off the shoulder, black and white, really cute, nice on the body. It is very soft, very comfortable for you to wear, really nice. Also, like I said, off the shoulder, nice pendant, nice necklace, and you are good to go. I really like it. And this is called Ericka. Oh, they gave it a different name because that one was not Ericka. So this is called Ericka sweater maxi dress, black combo, size small. I love the fact that I got this in a size small. Also, it's thick, it's long. It does have a minimum, let me say you have quite a good stretch to it. Really cute, off the shoulder from front to the back. Beautiful. Okay, y'all, the next thing we got, it is this nice, I don't know if I should call it tie-dye sweater, but it is giving me everything. Guys, look at it. Like, it has different colors on it. Actually, it's definitely a tie-dye. I love the sleeve. The sleeve is everything and some. It does have three silver crystal button right over there, and it is also like a mock turtleneck. Beautiful. It does have a little definition on the waist right here. Also a nice beautiful midi dress. Something like this, you could wear thigh-high boots with this. Even a nice beautiful booty would definitely go with this. Really cute and really nice. Snatched the body and gave me a nice beautiful shape. All right, guys, this one is called Serena sweater midi dress, multicolor, size small. So definitely size down if you wanted to snatch you a little bit on the waist, because you'll see, guys, it is hella stretchy. It has enough stretch for you to be able to size down. But if you still want to stay your size, go ahead and stay your size. This is really, really cute. I like it. I like the fact that it has so many colors, so you could play around all the colors that is on this with your makeup or with your accessories. This would be really, really cute though. Nice. Real thick too. This would definitely keep you warm. Very, very thick. I love it. Okay, y'all. This next one, okay? This is a party dress, okay? This is like an occasion dress. Actually, I added this one to my 31st, the outfit idea to wear for 31st, okay? This would have made the day. But this is a pink color. I don't care what season it is. We're gonna wear color, okay? Color should be all year round. This one right here was bodying my body. Okay, if that's a word or an English. I freaking love me a good bandage dress or a bandage anything. I am here for it. This one right here is everything and some. Long sleeve. Y'all look at the neckline. Like a beautiful sweetheart neckline. Oh man, this is so freaking cute. I have a full corset situation going on right there. Does also have a mini shoulder pad right over here. Long sleeve, and it does have a zipper on the back. Also a little slit right here at the back may help you walk a little comfortable. This is so beautiful. All right, y'all, this is called Poly Bandage Midi Dress, hot pink, size medium. Beautiful. Stay your size in this, because bandage dress can be very tricky sometimes, or bandage anything can be very tricky sometimes. Some of them can be too thick and some of them can be a little thin. So, but this one right here is pretty thick. It will keep you warm and you will be looking warm, sexy, okay? Like on this one, okay? Okay, y'all, the next thing we got, it is this zebra situation going on, but it's more of, now black and white, it is more of green, yellow, beige, cream situation going on right here. I should have sized down in this, but it's not bad either. I should have gotten me a small in this one, because it is a sweater material, but it's very light. It will still keep you warm in some situation, but this is really cute too though. It is a midi dress, like hit me by below my knee is where this one hit me. It has somewhat of like a, I'm gonna say like a square neckline. It's not 100% curve. It's like right here, and then it goes this way, and then it goes back up here. So that's what this one is. The back is just regular old back. Really nice, really cute. This is called Zara sweater maxi dress. It's an cream combo, size medium. Like I said, I should have gone down a size, because it is like, yeah, it is very, very, very stretchy. So if you want this one, go ahead and size down. If you wanted to snatch your body, go ahead and size down, or if not, you could just stay your regular size. Okay, y'all, the last thing that we got, it is this one right over here. Brown, black, beige combo color right here. It does have a keyhole right here on the chest, makes it look really, really sexy. Your boobs will be standing right here real nice, and then it has the neck opening right here. Really thick material. Also midi dress also, because it definitely hit me by my what do you call it, my calf area. That's where this one hit me. Long sleeve, has a good amount of stretch to it, so I'm gonna say size down in this also, because I think I sized down. I definitely did. So this is called Toronto Sweater Maxi Dress Mocha Combo in a size small, and I appreciate the fact that I sized down in this, because the way it went into my body, like it was like stuck to my body, just ate up my body. I really, really love that. This is so freaking cute. I'm loving it. This kind of thing right here you could wear with a thigh-high boots, a booty, a nice pump, and make your makeup look like nice nudie makeup, lips, eye nude, gold accessories. Your purse could be black, could be beige, could be tan, could be black. Anyone you feel like carrying, or gold purse, that will also go well with this. I freaking love it. Okay, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoy, please don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. It will also help me out here on YouTube. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time your girl drop a video. Don't forget, everything that I have on will definitely be linked in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. If you haven't seen all the other series, I will be linking them also in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. And if you are new to the channel, thank you so much for checking me out. All right, guys, remember to live your life like no one is watching, because God got your back. Mwah.